Redmi in red. And this dates back to 1989. I have the bill with me as well. And
Wow.
this costed 65 rupees. 65 rupees. 65 rupees.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Nilanjan, and welcome to episode number 4 of our brand new podcast, Redmi OK. Please, as always, I have my co hosts Ashish, Momita, and Garvita. Today's episode is going to be a very special one because we are celebrating World Photography Day today at Redmi. So, we will get the chance to meet a lot of me fans who are like you but who are working with us on the Fans with Benefits program. I'm really, really excited to have them on the show, and I have a bunch of questions prepared for all of them that I'm sure will help you and me become better photographers. So, really looking forward to that. Ashish told me before the start of this podcast that he has something very interesting to share with all of you guys. So, I'm just going to ask him to do that. Ashish, what was so important that you wanted me to specifically tell you? Please let me say this on the show.
As we've already introduced that this is a special episode and we are celebrating World Photography Day, here's this one small fact that why do we celebrate this World Photography Day? So, this dates back to 1837 when one new photography technique was developed, and I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. This is daguerreotype, and this is named after Daguerreau, which is actually a Frenchman who developed it. But these things apart, we celebrate this whole World Photography Day just to celebrate the art, craft, and science and the history of photography. And we have two special guests. And surprisingly, I actually found this old camera that in the last episode that I said that I am a collector and I just like I have all the things that I have purchased and my parents have purchased. So this being a tech podcast, एक unboxing तो बनता है. So today we'll be unboxing this Himax AF35, and this is a 35 millimeter camera. So we'll just unbox it, and inside this the
You're
contents that we
literally
have.
taking it out of the box.
Yeah, and yeah, this is a very old product. So this is the camera, if you
Wow,
guys
looks
remember,
beautiful.
and there are some manuals. Yeah, and I
Red.
also Redmi in red. And this dates back to 1989. I have the bill with me as well, and
Wow.
this costed 65 rupees. 65 rupees. 65 rupees. And this is actually a 35 millimeter camera, and it operates on a film. And like I was reading how this operates and how you insert the film back here. And let me show you guys. थोड़ा सा हाथ.
Show it to all our viewers properly.
Yes. Good. I can start double A battery and two double A batteries over here, and we have the sensor over here, and we have the lens cap over here. We open and close it manually. So this is actually a very old camera, and there is two tube flashlights over here. And so coming back to the World Photography Day, it's just a old memory and how the world of photography has evolved from 1989, this camera, to currently my
To
Redmi Note 8 Pro
this, to
to
this right now,
820,
to
10
the
Pro Max.
108 MP Redmi Note 10 Pro Max.
Yes.
And wow, that was such a nice surprise actually. Like we had no clue that you were going to do that. So
Yes.
I have also used something like that, but I think the first ever sort of camera that I had was a Sony point and shoot, which unfortunately doesn't work anymore. But interestingly, Garvita and Momita are both content creators, and they do like a lot of photography. And just a while ago, I think we flashed their Instagram handles also. I'm sure a lot of people are following them. But talking about cameras and phones and interesting goodies, I want to tell all our viewers that the Redmi 9 Power giveaway is still on. Yes, we had announced it in the last episode, so you can still win a Redmi 9 Power. The contest is open. Just head back and watch the last part of the last episode. I'll also leave the link down in the description below, and go ahead and participate and win yourself a brand new Redmi 9 Power. On today's episode, we're going to have two very special Mi fans, and we were talking to them recently, and I think the journey has been super inspiring. And they're like tech enthusiasts like all of us, right? I do hope that we can get to feature more and more Mi fans like this on our podcast. So without any further ado, let's head right into the podcast and welcome our first guest for today.
Like Neil mentioned at the start of this episode, we have our first Mi fan with us, and this fan has a particular style of photography which is very unique. He started from a macro space and now he's just about doing everything from macro to landscape to product, and I'm still counting. So without further ado, join me as I welcome Partha Chatterjee all the way from Bengal, who's one of our senior fans with benefits community photographer. So Partha, welcome to Redmi OK Please.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, now that you're here, आप हमें ज़रा बताइए, like from मतलब आप बहुत सालों से photography कर रहे हैं, so when did this journey start for you? कब start हुआ आपके लिए ये?
बेसिकली मैं एक रूरल एरिया से हूँ, तो मैं बाय प्रोफेशन आई एम ए प्राइमरी टीचर. तो मेरा स्कूल बहुत दूर है मेरे घर से, तो मैं रोज़ बाइक में जाता था. और यहाँ पे हिल्स भी है, जंगल भी है और रिवर्स भी है, तो मेरा लैंडस्केप की तरफ मेरा अट्रैक्शन जाने लगा. इस तरह से मैं फ़ोटो क्लिक करते करते फोटोग्राफी की तरफ मेरा झुकाव बढ़ गया.
मैं भी यही सोच रहा था कि कितनी प्यारी जगह है, मतलब हर चीज़ है वहाँ पे, हिल्स भी है, रिवर्स भी है और हर चीज़ है. सो एक मतलब एक जैसे नहीं फोटोग्राफर्स का एक पैराडाइज जैसे हो जाता है कि वहाँ पे जो भी पिक्चर क्लिक करना चाहे क्लिक कर सकते हैं. सो पार्था, मतलब मैं ये जानना चाहता था कि आपको इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिलती है. लाइक हम लोगों ने देखा एंड रिसेंटली आपकी फ़ोटोज़ अभी नेट जियो प्लस BBC अर्थ इन दोनों पे भी फीचर हुई, और इसके अलावा भी आपकी फ़ोटोज़ को तमाम जनता जो जितनी हमारे फॉलोअर्स की पूरी वो है, बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक करते हैं वो पिक्चर्स को. तो आपको इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिलती है, आप किन लोगों को फॉलो करते हैं, कहाँ से ये सब लर्न करते हैं, एंड मतलब कहाँ से, जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई फोटोग्राफी?
हाँ, when I started first uploading my pictures on social media sites, I started following Kunal Malhotra, known as the photography blogger in Instagram. So I liked his framing and the concept of silhouettes and the reflection techniques. And I also follow Hercules from our Fan of Benefits itself. So he is a very good street photographer. So I kind of like him very much, like his techniques.
So मतलब आप मतलब उनसे जो इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं, and that is something I think you reflect in your work. Would you say that?
Yes, obviously.
ये आपका स्टाइल थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है?
नहीं, मेरा मैक्रो है बेसिकली, मैक्रो पहले से ही था. उनका जो फोटोग्राफी टेक्निक क्रिएटिव जो है, उनसे इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है, आइडिया भी मिलता है, उनसे बातचीत भी होती है थोड़ी बहुत.
ओह अच्छा, तब तो बढ़िया है, बातचीत भी होती है. ठीक है. सो आपने अभी खुद ही बोल दिया कि मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी आपका स्पेस है. सो मैं आपको पूछना चाहूंगी कि एज अ मैक्रो फोटोग्राफर आप में क्या ऐसी कोई यूनिक स्किल होनी चाहिए जो हर मैक्रो फोटोग्राफर में होनी चाहिए, ताकि वो एक मतलब ऐसा कोई अमेजिंग सा फोटो पुल ऑफ कर सके?
हाँ, मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी के लिए जो सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है वो है ऑब्जर्वेशन. अगर आप कुछ चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं अच्छे तरीके से, जैसे इंसेक्ट को अगर आप ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पाए तो आप उनका डिटेल्स कैप्चर नहीं कर पाएंगे. और पेशेंस भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि you cannot set them up. You cannot set them up in your studio or something else where. So I have to be patient enough to shoot them.
एक चीज़ मुझे पूछनी थी कि जैसे मेरा भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी में और फोटोग्राफी इन जनरल. तो अगर जैसे आप मेरे टीचर हैं अभी, एंड मुझे आपको सिखाना है, तो ऐसी कौन सी एक स्किल है जिसे मैं प्रैक्टिस कर सकता हूँ टू बिकम अ गुड मैक्रो फोटोग्राफर?
To become a good macro photographer, first you have to observe nature very carefully. बिकॉज मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी के लिए आपको छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में देखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। अगर मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी, मैंने जब मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी शुरू किया था, मुझे जो इंसेक्ट की आंखें हैं, विंग्स है, उनके जो कलर्स है, वो स्पेसिफिकली मुझे बहुत अच्छा अट्रैक्ट करता था। सो एज ए किड यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व नेचर वेरी केयरफुल, जो मैंने पहले ही कहा था।
राइट,
Right.
सही है। एक्चुअली आई थिंक आशीष, ये तो हमें तुम्हें मुझे भी मानना पड़ेगा कि बिना ऑब्जर्वेशन के तो फोटोग्राफी नहीं कर सकते। आशीष इनफैक्ट डज अ बिट ऑफ फोटोग्राफी, तो ये आई थिंक वो ये सब लिख ले रहा है, और अगर कल वो आपकी टेक्निक वेक्निक यूज करके फोटो वोटो डाले तो डरिएगा मत, क्योंकि वो आपसे सीख के कर रहा है। राइट,
टेक्निक
तो
क्रेडिट्स दूंगा, कूल पार्थ।
टेक्निक क्रेडिट्स पार्थ चैटर्जी, कूल पार्थ करके वो ऐड करेगा आपको। ठीक है, तो उससे मुझे और एक चीज पूछनी है। एंड आई डोंट नो इफ इट इज सेंसिटिव टू फोटोग्राफर्स, लेकिन आई नो दैट लाइक एवरी ग्रेट फोटोग्राफर को एडिटिंग आना चाहिए, मतलब एडिटिंग जरूरी होता है। इट्स लाइक मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मतलब नेचुरली फोटोज नहीं आ सकते हैं बहुत सही, वो आते हैं ऑब्वियसली, बट आई थिंक थोड़ी बहुत एडिटिंग जरूरी होती है। क्या आप मेरे साथ अग्री करेंगे?
एग्री पूरा पूरी नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि फोटोग्राफी में जो क्लिक करता है वही उस वक्त ही फ्रेम को मन में बैठा लेना चाहिए। क्योंकि एडिटिंग में अब मैनिपुलेशन आई डोंट लाइक इट, बिकॉज मैं हर जगह देखता हूँ मैनिपुलेशन, लेकिन आई ओनली यूज़ एडोब लाइटरूम on my phone. I never use laptop. So I did a little bit of editing like light और colors, लेकिन मैं ज़्यादा एडिटिंग नहीं करता हूँ, जस्ट रेडमी फ़ोन्स में ही मैं एडिटिंग करता हूँ।
One more question. कि you started with photography, now you are moving into videos and you are exploring new things, new techniques और ये सब। So मतलब आपके दिमाग में क्या गोल आपने सेट कर रखा है कि हाँ मेरे को यहाँ पे पहुँचना है, तो उसके लिए मेरे को ये स्टेप्स लेने हैं कि अभी फोटोग्राफी, फिर वीडियो, फिर कुछ?
पहले मैंने मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी से शुरू किया था, लेकिन अब सब कुछ ट्राई कर रहा हूँ और वीडियोस भी, रील्स बना रहा हूँ। और इसके लिए पूरा क्रेडिट मैं रेडमी को देना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि जब मैंने फैन विद बेनिफिट 2019 में ज्वाइन किया था, तब मैं सिर्फ मैक्रो फोटोग्राफी करता था, मैक्रो एंड थोड़ा बहुत लैंडस्केप करता था। लेकिन फैन विद बेनिफिट में जो रेडमी पर मंथ थीम देते हैं, तो थीम्स का वैरायटी के अकॉर्डिंगली हमें अपना आइडियाज़ को सोचना पड़ता है। तो इसीलिए इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस थैंक्स टू रेडमी। एंड इन 2 or 3 years I want to become a 360 degree photographer, like I want to try everything.
That's great. सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा, and we are glad that we could give you that push.
Genuinely I feel this.
Oh, thank you.
One question. So Partha, I being a very a fanboy of you and Hercules, matlab, I really love your pictures. So this is my personal favorite, the one that you clicked, ये वाली 10 Pro Max से। इसके पीछे की background story, if you could tell, मतलब।
Okay. This place is very near from my house. That day the sky and cloud was playing dramatically. Okay, so I thought of shooting something landscape. So I went out with my bike and saw this lone tree in the green field, and the sky was very dramatic, and the clouds were also around this. So I clicked this with my Redmi Note 10 Pro Max in wide angle mode, because the wide angle mode gives us the floating of the clouds very much visible.
Right. It's a really nice shot. Won't you agree, Ashish? Fanboy. Right. So fanboy to fangirl. And this has a personal liking. ये personal liking है मेरा। आपने ये जगन्नाथ की फोटो शूट की है, और मैं उड़ीसा से हूँ, सो हम यहाँ पे जगन्नाथ को बहुत मानते हैं। एंड इसलिए मैंने पहले देखा, मैंने कहा ये तो जगन्नाथ की फोटो है। मैंने कहा ओके, तो आप भी ऑब्वियसली उड़ीसा बंगाल पास। एंड आई सी दैट यू हैव कैप्चर्ड दिस शॉट अमेजिंगली, एंड उनका फेस रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स में, विच इज अमेजिंग। इसके मतलब आपने कहाँ ये खींचा, मतलब आई वुड लाइक टू नो।
मैं इस तरह का फोटो बहुत दिनों से खींच रहा हूँ, ठीक है। दुर्गा पूजा के लिए भी एक फ़ोटो खींचा हुआ था मैंने 2 साल पहले। तो इट्स कॉल्ड रिफ्लेक्शन फोटोग्राफी, रिफ्लेक्शन, जिसमें जो नॉट रिफ्लेक्शन, रिफ्लेक्शन कहा जाता है इसको, क्योंकि जो पीछे वाला जगन्नाथ जी का पिक्चर है वो अपसाइड डाउन है, और जो ड्रॉपलेट्स है वो एक वेयर में अरेंज किया गया है। उसको मैं इंजेक्शन का जो सिरिंज निडल होता है उसको मैं अरेंज किया है, और सामने से मैक्रो जो रेडमी नोट 10 प्रो मैक्स का मैक्रो कैमरा है, इनबिल्ट टेली मैक्रो, उससे खींचा हुआ है। पहले मैं एक्सटर्नल लेंस यूज़ करता था, लेकिन रेडमी नोट 10 प्रो मैक्स का टेली मैक्रो लेंस के लिए वो एक्सटर्नल मैक्रो लेंस ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी।
वाह, बहुत अच्छी आई है। मुझे पता नहीं था कि वो पीछे अपसाइड डाउन है एंड फिर आपने
हाँ,
सिरिंज
वो
में डाल
upside
के
down है।
ड्रॉपलेट्स डाली है। अरे वाह, बहुत अच्छी है। फिर देन ओके, नाउ दीज आर आई थिंक स्किल्स that every photographer that is working with us has, and that is where I think we play our part and we learn from them. And पार्थ, आपसे तो बहुत कुछ ही सीखा है। आशीष तो फुल नोट ही कर रहा है, वो जाके भी यूज ही कर डालेगा पूरा। अगर आशीष का फोटो पॉपुलर हो गया, आप क्रेडिट्स मांग लेना। राइट आशीष? So I think it was absolutely amazing having you on this podcast. Did you have fun, Partha?
Yes, a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
Yeah, Partha actually like really looks like he's a primary teacher. मेरे को भी ऐसा लगा, अरे वाह, बुरा से करके समझाता है, ड्रामेटिक्स का है। Thank you so much, Partha. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining us.
I'm super excited and super happy to welcome special guest of this episode. Everybody please give a big round of applause to Simanta Datta, who's joining us today from Assam. Simanta is one of our youngest Fans with Benefits creator, and I'm so happy that you are on the show today, Simanta.
Thank you, Nilanjan, for that brief introduction. I'm really glad to be here.
You know, we all have this one moment, that one particular moment where we know ki, this is my passion, this is something that I want to pursue in life. And I think it happened a little too early for you. You were very young, but I still feel that there must be something, there must be some moment. Do you remember that moment? What was it like?
So it was when I got myself the K20 Pro. The amazing camera on that device made me explore more, and I found myself getting better and better as the time went by. So then, by the way, also I want to mention one thing, that Redmi Note 5 Pro was the phone that I first bought from my own savings, and it was the device that I started to take photography more seriously. And also I want to mention one thing, that I even did some good campaigns with that phone, because that phone had a very capable camera back then.
If you have a good photography device, you tend to develop some interest in photography. And also 10 Pro Max, like I use this on a daily basis right here, and I'm not like a pro photographer like you. Like, I don't really understand, say, manual settings and all of that. But the thing I really like about this phone is that it makes clicking photos very easy. It has a lot of these pre-built modes that really help me to create any kind of stuff that I want, whether it's long exposure or ultra wide or macro or whatever, right? So that is something that I really like. We know that your favorite style of photography is product photography. Why product photography? Why didn't you get it? Because usually when you think of photography, then सब लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ, मैं पोर्ट्रेट्स खींचता हूँ, मैं लैंडस्केप खींचता हूँ, मैं कहीं घूमने जाता हूँ तो मैं वहाँ का मतलब सीनरी वगैरह खींचता हूँ. But travel, yeah, which is also really good, like that's what I do, guys. But product photography is very niche, and I don't think there are a lot of people who doing that, and hence I feel the future is really big for that. But when did you start getting into this, and rather, like, why did you think that, okay, maybe I should try this out?
So look, when it comes to photography, I like to have full access on the subject that I'm shooting on, right? So in product photography, I have full access upon my light and my subject, so I can just place it as I wish to.
Yeah, actually, I was going to say that, Samantha, you're a tech enthusiast, and that shows when we look at your profile. And like Neil said, that, you're always one of the first, photographers to do flat lays for Redmi phones. So, I look at them and I wonder that you're so good at flat lay photography. There must be some things जो आप, ध्यान रखते होगे, some details or something that you keep in mind while doing flat lay photography. So, I'm not good at it, so it would be nice if you guide me about it. मतलब मैं भी try कर सकती हूँ. And there's no risk, क्योंकि मैं वैसे भी अच्छा नहीं कर पाऊँगी, so there's no risk. But you can, give me some secrets.
Okay, so Niranjan, glad that you mentioned that we are the first persons to explore the device before it gets launched here in India. And so I want to just give you a brief introduction to flat lay photography. Is that flat lay photography is just a part of a product photography, product and food photography also, you can say that. So here in this type of photography, we tend to click the photo from bird's eye view, means the camera is at a 90-degree position, right? So when it comes to flat lay photography, for me, I really like to keep things aesthetic and minimal. And to maintain the aesthetics, I like to go more into the device, like its key features and the colors of the color of my device, so that I can put appropriate props with it. And when it comes to the props, I feel that props color should resonate with the product we are shooting with, along with the backdrop. For example, when it comes to a yellow phone, if we put a purple backdrop and along with it are some purple props, you tend to glorify the product more, right?
So what you're saying is that lighting, of course, is something that you
Yeah, definitely.
are on point with, right? And you said that it also applies to food photography. And then you play a lot with, say, the backdrops you have, or maybe like the texture of the table that you're keeping the product on, and a lot of props. Now, I have seen some very, very interesting props in your photographs, right? So, like, when I look at it, I keep seeing your photos, right? So I think that, wow, like Samantha must have like a cupboard full of props. This small item, that small item. Like, do you really have such a large inventory, or like, how do you source your props?
It wasn't the time. It actually happened day by day. I haven't got access to all the props at once. I just curate the props whenever I go to market. Like, if I see something which is aesthetic enough and which I can just put into my products, I just buy them and store them in my big almirah,
So Samantha, like one final question to you, right? I'm sure a lot of people out there want to become a photographer. You also have a very successful Instagram journey as well, right? You've grown quite quickly. Could you let our viewers know on a few things, maybe like tips that you wish that you had when you were starting out?
So first of all, I want to clear it out. One thing is that gear is never the limitation that's stopping you from discovering your passion. You really need to experiment with your skills every day, because you won't be perfect at your day one, but when you start doing it every day, you tend to become skillful on your work, right? Same it happened with me. I wasn't the best when I started out. Even if I say that, when I shot my first picture, that picture was my favorite back then. After having some skills, when I look upon that photo, I see that how bad I was back then. so same it will happen after 2 to 3 years down the line, right? So just keep on learning, keep on experimenting, and keep on and be motivated with what you do, and always try to learn from your peers.
That is
Absolutely,
absolutely
like-
wonderful advice.
Great stuff. And I think if I were to put it in one line, it would be like, always believe that something wonderful is about to happen.
Yeah,
It's also
definitely.
the Xiaomi philosophy. Samantha, thank you so much for being a part of today's podcast. I do know that you just had to come back for the filming of this podcast after an examination. And I all the best for your studies and your examinations ahead. And wish you a very happy World Photography Day. And it's because of creators like you that we are truly able to showcase the potential of our products. And thank you so much for being a part of this journey with us.
Thank you, Nilanjan and Garvita, for hosting me for this session. I'm really glad to be the part of it. Thank you.
No. But before we get to the end of this episode, I think we're forgetting one tiny little but very fun thing, which is game segment with Garvita.
Whoa, again. I want to win
yeah,
again.
again.
Yes.
No, and this time I'm channeling all my energy towards Momita and Ashish because I really want them to win for a change.
Okay.
So, guys, I like to call this segment See the Big Picture with Garvita. The game is very simple, right? But again, two things in mind. We need to keep two things in mind. It needs to be very quick and it needs to be fun. So, get your game faces on because we are starting with the game. You will be shown a series of pictures and you need to guess what that item, object, or whatever subject is. So, sounds easy. So, here we go. Here's the first picture on your screen and you need to tell me what this is.
Wait, do we have a buzzer thing here as well?
Of course. You need to make a sound and I'll pick the person and whichever person I pick has to answer and scores will get. So, it will be very easy for me to decide the winner. Chalo, let's
Okay.
start. Here's the
P.
first photo. Oh, okay. Yes, Momita. Batao, what is this?
It is, okay, my answer is actually a little bit mixed, but I think it's a straw something. Something made out of straws.
Ah,
Straw something. Okay. Who made that sound?
Hi.
Okay.
Ashish.
Ashish, right.
Is it spaghetti? Or
Spaghetti.
a food
Okay.
item?
Okay, I think we've got two answers and I think Neil also made that sound. So we'll take Neil's answer also. Neil, hurry up.
This is jalebi.
गर्मा गर्म जलेबी सभी को बहुत पसंद आते हैं.
A macro of jalebi.
Okay, I think
Oh damn.
this is spaghetti only. No, this is
Hurry.
I think this is not
This
like
is known as capellini, by the way. It is spaghetti and it's capellini.
yeah, fancy.
Some good
Let's
capellini.
give it to
I'll do
Ashish.
this.
Answer.
It's Italian for sure. Okay, what is this? What is this object?
Okay.
Guys, come on, quick, yeah, make some noise.
Okay.
ऐसे नहीं.
P?
What?
What? No, that was my buzzer.
अच्छा, that was the buzzer. I was like, P? What's up? Okay, mom.
Okay. I think this is a वो नट बोल्ट टाइट करता है ना वो चीज है.
Right. Got it. ठीक है. Nut bolt, I got it. Okay.
Spanner.
Arey, you should give me a
Gala.
chance. I wanted to answer it.
अरे सबको चांस थोड़ी मिलेगा. First one gets it. No. वो तो last
Okay,
time
0
था.
points for this one. Next one, come on.
Wait. Okay. Ashish said it first.
It's a rope. Part of a rope.
That's the right answer.
Okay, it looks like it. Yes.
Yeah, that is the right
Easy,
answer.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, what do we have next? Let's see. Neil said it first. Neil.
It's mango.
No. P. Someone. Hello.
Okay, say it if you're
It's
that
an orange.
confident. Okay, let's see what it is. Mango or an orange? Orange, Mamata.
It's a,
What?
it's a Malta. It's not an orange.
वो माल्टा ऑरेंज ही होता है समझे.
इसे स्पेक्स में
कर
नहीं
देना
जाना
भाई
होता.
गाँव वाली बात. चल
Orange,
आगे
orange. Okay. Neil.
This is a burning matchstick.
Okay. Let's see.
I had a different interpretation. It was a karakata.
Chusky.
Bola. Yeah.
I like getting your answers. Let's get one each. Okay. Neil says it's a matchstick. Ashish
It
says
is a
kala
matchstick. It
khatta.
is matchstick. Even I'm sure. बारूद जल
Okay.
रहा है.
Yes, it is a
Yes.
matchstick. Neil is right. Okay.
बारूद जल
Next, what is this?
And
क्या है ये वस्तु? Okay, आशीष बताओ
it's a
बताओ.
Oh damn. It's a vegetable top.
What's a अच्छा
Wait,
like this?
I P.
Capsicum का top.
What?
हाँ,
Momita.
बोल दिया. It's capsicum का top.
अच्छा,
बोल
चलो.
दिया.
No,
specify भी कर
it's
दिया.
not. It's not. It's the
Please
top
what?
of an apple.
Apple or
Apple का
capsicum?
top. Momita, you also give your answer. No, it's capsicum का
Capsicum.
top only. But चलो if
Capsicum.
Let's just see the answer.
Just see the answer.
apple.
Yes.
Nice. Tim
I'm
Cook
back in the
for you
race.
guys. Okay.
P.
Momita.
Rose petals. Rose. ऊपर का उसका top.
समझे सही है.
खाली क्यों है?
वो उनके घर पे उतने
ये
जगह
रोज की बात है, वो जाने.
अच्छा
I don't know.
विकास जरा आंसर तो दिखाओ.
आंसर दिखाओ ना प्लीज. इट इज अ
It is a
रोज
rose, my friend. Okay.
It is a rose.
Next one.
yes.
फटाफट.
Eh,
Happy.
Neil said it first.
I
It's
said
a
it
tennis
first.
ball. It's a tennis ball.
Yeah, correct.
मुझे तो
Right
कंपनी भी
answer,
पता है.
कंपनी में बता दो.
मुझे दिख रहा है वो माइलो का बॉल जैसे.
माइलो
It's
आई
like खीर गंगा का ट्रैक
First.
वैसे रोड गई हुई है, there is a पहाड़ और ऐसे.
अच्छा इस ये वाला पार्ट थोड़ा कट कर देना, थोड़ा आगे चलो. आंसर दिखा दो.
It's a tennis ball. Yes.
It is a
Right
tennis ball. वो
answer.
माइलो का ही है.
Right.
मैं बता रही.
ठीक है, गॉट इट.
We have more. नहीं खत्म. Yeah.
चुप.
Oh.
कट. मुझे
Okay, so
बोलने दो.
now that we had this amazing segment where I obviously won, I don't think so I did, but I will find out. And if I'd like always support me guys, because you know
ये
I'm the best.
रुको. ये देखो मार्क्स काट दूंगी मैं अगर ऐसे मेरी लाइंस काटी तो. आई विल टेल यू हु वन. ओके. एंड शॉकिंग विनर. शॉकिंग. आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट दिस ओनली. It's Neil. Shocking.
Again,
this has
back
never
to back.
happened before. No, this has never happened before. This is so
I mean,
shocking.
last episode I won as well.
मैंने
So
इसका आंसर
I'm
दिया,
good.
मेरा आंसर दिया.
Wow.
क्या दिया?
Wow, looks like this game is absolutely rigged. I'm going to stick to my point. The point I had made earlier, this game is rigged and he always knows the answers.
not rigged.
Also, I tried, I think मेरे साथ बहुत नाइंसाफी हुई है.
मेरे
मेरी
साथ.
बजर पे मेरी बजर को हटा दिया गया है. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
This time I'm channeling all my energy towards Momita and Ashish.
Okay, so now that we had this amazing game segment, I think this sadly brings us to the end of the episode. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to watch episode 3 like Neil mentioned at the start of this episode, and participate in the giveaway to win yourself a Redmi 9 Power.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you liked the video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from Redmi India. It was an amazing time hosting Partha and Simantha today. So don't forget to follow them on Instagram. Partha, you can find Partha at Cool Partha on Instagram, and Simantha can be found on Instagram at stx15_. There are also a lot of other Me fans who work with us in our Fans with Benefits program, and on account of World Photography Day, we are bringing their work for all to see. If you want to know all about the fans who work with us in our Fans with Benefits program, please go check out Redmi India on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We're having a day-long activity today, which we're calling the face behind our photos. You've seen their work, now it's time to see who they are. So I do hope that you can go and enjoy their stuff. Great episode as always. Big round of applause for all of those photographers around the world who are making great content every day, and especially smartphone photographers. On behalf of the Redmi social media team, I'd like to thank each and every one of them. Great episode. Hope you guys liked this. This was me, Nilanjan, and on behalf of my co-hosts Ashish, Momita and Garvita, this is us signing off.